Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here 4 different compounds are given. The P is acetylene, Q is ethylene, R is ethane, S is benzene. You have to find more acidic hydrogen. By that you have to find most acidic compound. Here answer lies in the hybridization, which involves benzene, that is special case. Here the hybridization is sp, sp2, sp3, triple bond is sp, double bond is sp2, single bond is sp3. More the S character of the hybridization, more will be the acidity, more will be the electronegativity. So sp has more electronegativity than sp2, then sp3. The electronegativity is nothing but electron withdrawing ability, electron pulling power, which will increase the acidic character of the compound. So P is more acidic when compared to all. Here common confusion come in the benzene because it has 2 sp2 hybridized carbon along with the hydrogen in the question. Here difficult to break CH bond because after losing H plus the system became anti-aromatic. The anti-aromatic systems are very much unstable. It won't allow the H plus losing. So here the concept you have to learn here is more the S character, more will be the electronegativity, which leads to more acidity. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.